In this video, I'm going to show you a step-by-step guide on exactly how I was able to fix my Talkie AI app not working. So the first thing you need to do is to close your Talkie AI app, and instead we're going to go into the settings app on our phone. And then you're just going to scroll down and click on general, and then you're going to click on storage. And now we're just going to simply wait a couple of seconds for this to load all of the apps that we currently have on our phone. So we're just going to keep waiting and then just scroll up like this, click on search, and search for Talkie here. As you can see, the Talkie Lab app here. So just click on it and then click on Offload app. And once again here, click on Offload app. Just wait a couple of seconds for it to actually offload app, and it's going to say reinstall app here when it's done. So click on reinstall app. And now just simply, or sometimes you have to click on it 2 times by the way, but just wait for it to completely update to its latest version. Now it might take a couple of minutes to a couple of seconds. You can see it says loading, installing, and it should be down here in a couple of seconds. So try this and hopefully this will be able to fix it for you as well.